Good morning everybody and welcome to Visit Fylde Course. We're at the promenade at Waterloo Road, as you can see at the tram stop there, and we're going to go for a look along the South Shore shopping area. This used to be a really busy little spot in Blackpool at one time. It's still quite busy now and there's a reasonably good selection of shops, so it's worth popping in for a look. It's where you can find Mackie D's, Joke Shop, and the legendary Notarianni ices. And we did a video about the history of Notariannis. It was back round about Christmas time. Oh goodness me, that seems such a long time ago. We were in the depths of lockdown and it was enough to freeze you. It was miserable. But now the sun's shining. The sun's shining and it's the end of June. And you can see for yourself that Blackpool is coming back to life and it's all starting to look quite normal again. These are lovely, aren't they? This is Brooks Collectibles. Oh look, that little cat's waving at us. He's waving at us. I think they're good luck charms, aren't they? Oh, they're lovely. Look at these little Christmas scenes in this window. Too early for Christmas. Too early for Christmas. There you go, Notarianni ices. I'm being really strong and walking past. I'm really strong and walking past. Oh yes, please. This is what used to be the old Woolworths. Poor building. They must be going to be demolishing this, surely. I mean, when you look at the state of it, it's not fit for anything else, is it? Other than gutting. I just walked into a litter bin. Only me. So, this is Bond Street that we're coming up to. It's a little shoe market here. Some little on-street parking bays where you can just park your car, and I believe it's free on-street parking just down here as well for a limited time, I believe. So this is Bond Street. Oh, I've just realised that's Howard's car park that it's advertising. If you've been watching Bargain Loving Brits, you'll know who Howard is. He's the guy that owns the car parks and tries to get people to his car park. I know Howard from business things, but he's a cough drop, put it that way. That I'm just zooming in on at the moment is Mrs. Johnson's Emporium, the one right in the middle that's the period building with the hanging baskets at the front. If you like crafty stuff, that is well worth a visit. In fact, I'm going to go in there when I've done this video and I'm going to go and see if I can find what I've been looking for. Poor building. I remember when that was Woolworths, which makes me old. So this is central shopping area. This building on the left here used to be the post office. And there's quite a good selection of shops actually. There's various sort of cafes and sort of dress shops and second-hand places and things like that. So they look like they've got pretty much most things. Some bikes there if anybody's trying to buy a bike. I think it looks like they want something doing with their crater. It's quite a big crater. This is a little market. One of these buildings that's full of all kinds of interesting stuff. I love looking around these shops. They've all kinds of things in them. And there's another market here as well, which is quite big and opens out onto the street at the back. That's more of a proper market, that one, as you can see inside. They sell food and all kinds of things. That's a good shop, this House Proud one. They've got all kinds of stuff for your house. And then there's little Seaside Shops and supermarkets and card shop and you name it, there is one. So it's a busy little spot actually. But back in the day, this used to be really busy down here before we all started shopping online and shopping in supermarkets and all that kind of stuff. We used to come on holiday at South Shore, and I used to spend many an happy hour wandering around down here and looking in the shops and spending my pocket money. There you go, nice little Iceland supermarket over the road. Card factory, rub shop. There's a nice little jewellers here on the right hand side. And if you've never been down this shopping area before, you'll realise where you are when we get to this corner, because we're now at, go on, Lytham Road. It's Lytham Road, isn't it, this one? And if you follow the road straight ahead in front of us, you arrive at Yeadon Way, of course. And on this corner there's the Pound Bakery. Everybody's favourite. So if you follow that road straight in front, that takes you to Yeadon Way, down there. And just right is the Range. Another favourite shop. I'm sure this is Lytham Road. I'm sure it is. There's never any road signs anywhere, is there? Is this Lytham Road? Fairly certain it is. Yes, there you go. It's Lytham Road. I found it. So that's the direction that you go to the Pleasure Beach. And South Shore Railway Station is down there. And then down that way, as you can see, is the tower. If you follow that road in a straight line. So I hope you've enjoyed this little look around South Shore shopping area. There's a Pizza Hut there. I think that used to be a bingo, didn't it, that one, that big building that on the left. Make sure that you've subscribed to the Visit Fylde Coast YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that little bell for notifications, and don't forget to leave a like as well. And we'll see you soon. Bye for now.